What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage back at it again. Today we're gonna do a mirror replacement on my Kawasaki Ninja 636. Basically, I had put the bar end mirrors on the bike and I really enjoyed using them. It was something different, but I feel like putting the OEM replica replacement back on will keep me safer out there in the roads and the streets. So let's get into it.
Alrighty, Two Bros family, let's get right into it. Basic tools we're going to use are two Allen keys and a 10 mil wrench. So basically we're just going to loosen this here, this Allen bolt, take that out so the mirror will come out. I'm just going to keep that bar in there. This part here, I'm going to keep the part in there. And then we're going to move on to the side. So basically all I have to do is get the bolts and nut removed and replace it with the new mirror on the top here, and then the nut goes inside. I'm going to be replacing it with these longer bolts. So what you want to do if your bike came with these and you don't want them on and you want to replace them, basically you want to remove the mirror out of the way, take your Allen key, loosen it to the left, and continue unscrewing the bolt until it comes off. Once it comes off, you should just easily be able to open it's like a clamp, the clamp for it, just like this. And there you have it, man, it's out. Let's get to the other one. Then for the left side, all you need to do is the same process. Move the mirror out of the way, loosen it to the left, and continue on screwing the bolt, releasing it from the clamp. Once you have it all loose, you open it, and there you have it. Easy peasy. We then move on to where the mirrors are going to be placed. We're going to remove these two bolts. I'm going to take my 10 mil wrench. I'm going to place it back here to hold the nut, and I'm just going to unbolt it. Unscrew it out. There it is. There's our nut. Put that over here. Same process here. There you go. Same process here. You put them to the side. Keep on screwing it, unbolting it. Take it out. There's one. There's number two. Now you have the holes for where the mirrors are going to go. Alrighty guys, here we have the new mirrors that I'm going to be using. Way more visibility, and I don't have to look down when I'm riding. That was my biggest worry here. Pennsylvania, the drivers are a little more careful with the bikers. Here, not so much, so I'm just gonna put these bad boys on and be more safe out there. So basically, we're going to take these bolts. I have a little spacer here that's going to take up the space and mount them on. Alright, I'm going to take bolt number one. Put it through the hole. Going to put the little spacer and put the nut on there. As you can see, got the nut on there. Do the same thing. Before we start tightening the one, we're going to make sure the other ones are put on. That's for sure. Finally got it on. Put the spacer. Let's put the nut on there. Now we may continue with tightening these bad boys. Do the first one here, the front one. Make sure they're tight. You don't want them to go loose when you're going down the highway, down the road. Alright. There you have it. That's a lot better, guys. Way better. You're gonna have a lot more visibility. And like I said, you don't have to look down in this area when you're riding. You'll never have to keep your eyes off the road. Now let's move on to the left side. Alright guys, same process for the left side. Let's get these bad boy on. Get the little spacer here. This is the spacer I'm working with, guys. Let's get that in there. Put that on. Spacer on there. go. All right, now we can get to tightening these bad boys. And let me know how you guys like the audio. Have the Rhodes microphone with the dead cat on. Trying to improve my quality of the videos for you guys. I'm trying to be more detailed. Please leave comments below. That could be positive criticism, constructive criticism. I would love that because I don't know everything and I've only been doing this for a little bit of time. So I would love for you guys to get on the comment section and comment, and I will also be responding to the comments more often because that's something that I strive for. I want to create a community. That's why I call you guys the Two Bros family, man. Check it out. Got that bad boy on there. That was good. We'll take it outside or we're gonna set the mirrors up. Alrighty guys, here we go. It's finished. Two Bros family, the project is done. Real simple guys, if you never did this job before or replace mirrors, it's not really too hard. At least on this model, it's straightforward, everything's there. Next thing I'll do a motor vlog, just basically talking about how I like the mirrors compared to the other ones. And like I said, my issue with that was being here on the highway and very active road, having to look down all the time. I didn't like that. So basically that's what we're gonna do, man. Check you guys out the next time. Two Bros Garage out.